Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to track and trace your parcel sent in LBC. So nagpadala kami sa akin ng package guys. So naisip ko siyang i-upload kung paano mag-track ng parcel sa LBC as long na may ibinigay sa inyong tracking number guys ha. So if you are interested in my video, just keep on watching. Let's get started guys. Punta lang po tayo sa ating Facebook. Then search natin yung LBC Express. Yan. LBC Tracking Trace. Tapos, maghanap tayo kung merong mga nakapost dyan na link ng LBC. Pwede po natin siyang i-click. Then, i-click po natin yung naka-blue, yung page nila. Then, diretso na po yan sa ating track and trace, guys. Ilagay nyo lang dyan yung number na ibinigay sa inyo nung nagpadala. Lalong-lalo na sa mga umu-order online para matrack mo kung talagang pinadala nga yung items mo. Ayan. Ilagay lang natin siya guys. Then, i-search na po natin. Or i-track natin. Ayan. So, ayan na nga guys. As you can see, arrive na daw yung aking parcel. So, pwede ko na siyang i-pick up dun sa branch kung saan siya hinulog. So, that's it guys. Simple lang po, diba? I hope you get it. So, that's it guys. As simple as that. So, I hope na natutunan kayo sa aking tutorial for today. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe now. Please click the bell icon below so that you'll be able to notify on my future uploads. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and please share to guys. Bye-bye.